Good morning students. In this video we are going to learn what is perimeter and what is area. This is the chapter 15 from your book. Okay, so chapter 15 is perimeter and area, and in this video we are going to learn what is perimeter and what is area, and based on this some formulas of perimeter and area we are going to solve some of the problems based on this concept. Okay, so let's start. What is perimeter? Perimeter, the definition say that the distance around a simple closed figure. So what is a closed figure? See this figure here, it is closed everywhere. So this is a closed figure. So it says that the distance around a simple, so it is the distance covered. Suppose we start from here, A to E, A, E, then E to D, then D to C, then C to B, then B to A. So this total area covered, so the total distance covered throughout this figure is called its perimeter. So for example, here it is giving A to E is 4 centimeter, E to D is 6 centimeter, D to C is 11 centimeter, then C to B is 10 centimeter, then B to A is 5 centimeter. So what is its perimeter of this figure? We can say that this perimeter is 6 plus 11 plus 10 plus 5 plus 4. So 6 plus 11 is 17, 17 plus 10 is 27, 27 plus 9 is 36. Okay, so the 36 centimeter. So we can say that the perimeter of this figure is 36 centimeter. Okay, so once again I am explaining what is perimeter. The distance around a simple closed figure is called perimeter. Okay, now some of the formulas we are going to discuss. There are different figures, plane figures are there. So for example, rectangle is a plane figure, you can draw in the blackboard. So the formula is perimeter of rectangle equal to 2 into length plus breadth. So here length is twice and breadth is twice. So 2 into length plus breadth, because see here it is a rectangle. Rectangle, the opposite side are equal, the opposite side of rectangle are equal. So 2 length plus 2 breadth. So we can sort, we can write like this, 2 is common. So 2 into length plus breadth is the formula of the perimeter of a rectangle. Similarly, what is the perimeter of a square? It said that 4 into side is the perimeter of a square. You know that square having all sides equal. So all side equal means the same side. So you can say that 4 into one side, 4 into one side is equal to, it is the same as the square of a perimeter of a square formula. Okay, similarly for hexagon we can multiply 6, because in hexagon there are 6 sides are there. In a pentagon there is 5 sides are there, you can multiply with 5. In a triangle you can multiply with 3, because 3 sides are there. In an octagon you can multiply with 8. In a heptagon you can multiply with 7. Okay, in a decagon you can multiply with 10, like this. So there are different plane figures are there, and according to these sides, based on the sides you can add the total number of sides. The distance is, total distance is called the perimeter of this figure. Okay, now based on this formula, 2 into length plus breadth is the perimeter of rectangle. Based on this formula we can apply it and find out some of the application. What are the application we are going to solve? See, sometimes the perimeter is given, okay, so and the length is given, we have to find out the breadth. How to find out if one of this length or breadth is given, or length is given, or the perimeter is sometimes perimeter is given with length, perimeter given with breadth, like this. We have to find out the other quantity. So how to find? Suppose B we have to find out, breadth we have to find out. First we have to separate this L plus B to 2 will be transposed. So here perimeter divided by 2. Then we have to find, if we have to find out the B, then length equal to, it will be minus. So perimeter divided by 2 minus L, because L is plus here, when it is transposed it will be minus. So breadth equal to perimeter upon 2 minus the length. Similarly, for if length is asking, the question is asking the length, you have to find out the length. Then how to find out the length? So same formula, perimeter divided by 2 minus breadth. So here breadth will be minus. This is the some of the application based on this formula. Okay, and whenever the perimeter is asking and it should give in length and breadth, you can easily find out using this formula. 2 into length plus breadth is the perimeter of a rectangle. Okay, now we are going to solve some of the word problem based on this formula. Okay, so now look at this problem. Here it is given perimeter is given 160 centimeter and length is given 25 centimeter. What we have to find out? We have to find out the breadth of this figure. Okay, so whenever P and L is given, means perimeter and length is given, what is the formula? I have already told, breadth equal to perimeter divided by 2 minus length. So what here P is 160 upon 2 minus length is 25 equal to 160 divided by 2 is 80 minus 25 equal to 10 minus 5 5. Here it is 7 minus 2 is 5. So 55 centimeter is the breadth of this figure. Now here look at this question. Here P is given, W is given, mean width is given or breadth is given. Breadth is also known as width. So here perimeter is given 86 centimeter, width is given 18 centimeter and length it is asking. So we have to find out the length of this figure. So what is the formula? So I already told the formula. Length means perimeter divided by 2 minus width. Okay, so here perimeter is 86 centimeter divided by 2 minus width is 18 centimeter. So 86 divided by 2 how much? 2 4 ja 8, 2 3 ja 6 minus 18. So 43 minus 18 is 13 minus 80 is 5, 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay, so 25 centimeter is the length of this figure. Here width is given, where to find out the L? L formula is P by 2 minus width. So 86 upon 2 minus 18 is 86 upon 2 will be 43. 43 minus 18 will be 25 centimeter. Now after discussing about the perimeter of a figure, now next we are going to discuss what is area of a figure. So what it says that definition? The definition says that the amount of surface enclosed by a closed figure, the amount of surface by a closed figure. For example, this is a closed figure. So it is a rectangle, looking like a rectangle. So it is a closed figure. And what is this area? The amount of surface it enclosed. Okay. So this shaded portion I am drawing here, this is the area. The amount of surface it enclosed is called the area of this figure. So some formula we are going to discuss, that is rectangle, the area of the rectangle. What is the formula? Area of rectangle formula is length into breadth. Okay, now what is the area of a square? The area of a square is side square. Also we can say that side into side. Side into side is side square and rectangle formula is length into breadth. Suppose your length is given here 5 and breadth is given 3. Then what its area of this area? The area of the rectangle here 3 into 5, that is 15 centimeter square. Why it is square? Because if it is centimeter and it is this unit also centimeter, then centimeter into centimeter is the centimeter square. So 3 5 is 15 centimeter. Centimeter is centimeter square of this area of the rectangle. Okay. Similarly, you can find out for the square. If side square, suppose a square is here 10 centimeter all side. So what it is area? Area equal to 10 into 10, that is 100. Okay, 100 centimeter square is the area of the square of this figure. Okay, I hope you understand all the concept discussed today. Okay, in home you practice all the word problem. I already sent you this notes of this chapter. Just go through it. If any doubt is there, you can ask me.